Coastal Weather Impact Alert Day. We do have some strong storms across the area this afternoon. First, I wanted to show you earlier, just a few moments ago, Amelia talking about the flooding that's happening in Slidell. That's related to some coastal flooding. We do have a coastal flood advisory until midnight tonight, so more minor coastal flooding is expected for our eastward-facing shorelines throughout the high tides this evening. And then getting into overnight tomorrow, things will be improving the rest of the week as our wind direction does change. But did want to mention that minor coastal flooding is still going to be an issue throughout the course of today. Today, weather impact alert because of the scattered storms that will happen this afternoon and through about 7 or 8 o'clock this evening. A few severe storms like we've been seeing. And not only can we see some severe storms capable of strong winds and isolated tornadoes, we could see some heavy rain and street flooding. Make sure you have a way to receive weather alerts either on your phone, on our app, things like that. Don't forget the rain gear. Have your phones charged today in case you do get a warning where you're at. So the environment, very supportive of severe storms. It's warm, it's moist, so we got this cold front coming in from the west. So here is what's happening now. Some heavier showers and storms in South Mississippi. Not raining everywhere across the area, but we've got some steadier showers for our coastal spots at this point. So we'll see scattered storms the rest of today. Heavy downpours are certainly possible. We could see some severe weather into the afternoon and through the early evening hours. But we'll have some breaks in the rain at times. Can't rule out a couple severe warnings, though. They are certainly possible this afternoon, just like we had been with you for the last 45 minutes. There was a tornado warning for parts of our river parishes. It has been allowed to expire, and we're going to continue to, stay on top of the weather today to let you know if any new ones do come up. 79 degrees right now. It's warm, it's muggy, supportive of these strong storms that are likely to happen this afternoon. Hopefully we get lucky and they'll behave, but still looking at the potential for some severe weather this afternoon. Here we go for the North Shore and the South Shore, both included in the scattered storms to see till about dinner time tonight. And then we get into 6, 7 o'clock, the front starts to cross into the region. And I think by 7 o'clock tonight, we'll see the storms really wind down. So the evening commute could be wet and soggy, certainly across the area. Make sure you are driving carefully for your lunchtime commute, for your evening commute today, with some wet roads certainly around the rest of the afternoon and through the early part of the evening. It's not till late tonight. Things really improve after 7 o'clock tonight. So not bad, mid-evening. Here's the severe weather risk. It has increased. It has upgraded. We're up to a level 2 risk for a good portion of the area, especially the North Shore, South Mississippi, and parts of the New Orleans metro. So level 2 out of 5 risk now. For the strong wind potential within the storms, gusts up to 50 miles per hour possible, maybe up to 60. Isolated tornadoes can't be ruled out this afternoon. Also, isolated street flooding can't be ruled out. Some heavier showers certainly possible. Hopefully we don't have any big issues, but anywhere from 1 to 2 inches plus of rain. So if we get over an inch of rain in a short amount of time anywhere, that's going to lead to maybe some isolated street flooding this afternoon through the early evening hours. Fortunately, after this front comes through tonight, we'll see some drier air, some much nicer weather coming our way late tonight, and the nice weather is going to be here the rest of the work week into the weekend, even through early next week. We'll finally see a big drop in humidity. It's going to be really comfortable tomorrow. Beautiful weather the rest of the weekend into the weekend. Also finally seeing a cool down, a taste of fall. Temperatures tomorrow morning in the 60s on the North Shore. Sorry, there was a bug flying across my face. Tomorrow it's going to be a cool start to the day, again in the 60s in the morning. Lots of sunshine tomorrow, less humid, cooler, and a nice breeze coming in from the north tomorrow, which will help the coastal flooding issue. So our southeast winds today will shift and come in from the north late tonight and stay from the north tomorrow. So coastal flooding should no longer be an issue through tomorrow. Sunny skies, 73 degrees tomorrow. Also out in the tropics, we're also not done with the tropics. We've got Invest 99. Our next named storm will likely come out of this in the next couple days. It's in the Caribbean now, has a high chance of tropical development. It's going to hang out in the Western Caribbean through the rest of the week into the weekend. And so far it looks like a strong cold front will cut across the country by the middle of next week, and it might carry whatever this is towards Florida. This is 1 week from now, so we'll have a lot of time to watch the tropics still. Here's our 7-day forecast. Get ready for some more scattered storms today, maybe some locally severe weather this afternoon, and then tomorrow through the rest of the week into the weekend, looking absolutely fantastic. Much cooler too, finally. Temperatures in the 40s and 50s in the mornings Friday and Saturday.